We're gonna play guitar. What chords should we do? I don't know what we'll do, but in a song circle, we'll have guitar players going. Yeah, okay, so they'll do C major. F, C, F. Oh, they're yelling out the chords. Amazing. D minor. On any instrument, you're gonna play what they're saying. Again. With the accordion, we could drone those chords on our left hand, right hand, or minor. G, G, again, D, G, chord, F, root and tone. My advice to L before, I'm not gonna do out of the game. A bit gentler, right? So a bit more gentle. I can sustain right hand, same idea. Again, D minor, G, both together. Minor, I have to listen. Yeah. I could also do rhythm. Now this is a loop. Usually the guitar players will react to what I'm doing. If I'm going to take a solo, if I'm just learning golden brown, practice that, do that to that. Again, if I'm learning Beatles, I might do it the other way. Down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine there's no heaven. So, Louis, I'm so happy you did that. What a great idea. Yeah, you droned right on in. Perfect. It's very lovely when you find a lovely group of people that are open and accepting. And like you said, I also sometimes don't listen and I get lost in my own thing. They've switched on to D minor. I'm still in my C to F. Ooh. Let's re-listen, retune in. Don't play loudly. Back off. Bring your left and right hand in slowly.